From engagement rings to wedding gifts and any I love you occasion, Clawson Jewelers has the perfect piece for your loved one.
We want to make sure that we have a piece of jewelry for every client that walks through the door.
If you're looking for the perfect engagement ring, Clawson Jewelers has an exquisite collection.
One of our focal lines is Romance.
Romance engagement rings have an unmistakable quality set with natural or lab-grown diamonds.
Lab-grown diamond is they take a slither of a natural diamond and they grow it in the lab. Same color clarity, they have a cert with them, just like a natural diamond will have a cert. And we have Rich Line from Armadani.
And if you'd like to design an original, their expert jeweler can bring your vision to life.
We work with our clients. They would show us the item. We have a drawing and a CAD design done for them. Then from there, they approve it. We have the piece made for them. It's exactly what they're asking for. We are with them from start to finish.
All engagement rings come with a diamond promise and a family privilege card.
We do free clean inspection on all the jewelry. If you lose a side diamond, we'll replace it for you at no charge. White gold needs to be re-rhodium. We'll rhodium the ring for you for free. We give you a free appraisal. We also give you $200 credit towards a wedding band for every diamond engagement purchase.
With a family privilege card, you'll also get discounts on in-store jewelry and repairs, free cleanings, and $50 if a friend buys an engagement ring at Clawson Jewelers. Diamond studs, diamond necklaces, and gemstone jewelry with a splash of color make wonderful wedding day jewelry, gifts for bridesmaids, Mother's Day presents, or even push gifts.
We have a couple beautiful fashion lines, again from Rich Line Armadani. We also have Tesoro, and we have Royal Jewelry.
For the groom, groomsman, or a couple's gift, look no further than their extensive timepiece collection.
We have Detroit's favorite watch, the Shinola watch, which is a great watch, bred and born in Detroit. And then we have our Rado timepiece collection too, which is high-end Swiss, ceramic, sapphire crystal. Great watch. There's only a few stores in the Detroit metro area that have it, and we're one of the selected few.
No matter what the occasion, Clawson Jewelers is there to help with life's big moments.
We have a little cigar shop, and then we have a tailor in the back, so it's a little bit of a one-stop shop. We carry the premium quality, and our prices are fantastic, and our customer service will back it all up.
Such beautiful pieces. If you already have your rings, consider Clawson Jewelers' VIP program. For a one-time fee, one ring can get lifetime cleanings, polishings, and half off all repairs for life.